and snored and kicked our heels, and then two told me they got old-time religion. One says she'll never barrel race again. Good Copenhagen is better than bad cocaine. Well, I spent some time with Texas Dave McDaniel, dipping snuff at night and drinking beer by noon. Well, he'd tell me about the bulls he'd rode in Waco, and by nightfall he'd be howling at the moon. Howling good Copenhagen is better